are going to learn filtration, decantation and sedimentation. First, let me teach you what is sedimentation. Insoluble things in dust particles settle down is called sedimentation. Glass of water and dust. This process is called as sedimentation. Settling down the dust particles is called sedimentation. After some time, you can see settling down the dust particle and insoluble things in the water. This process is called as sedimentation. Separating the clean water from insoluble things and dust particles is called decantation. Let's see. Separating the clean water from insoluble things and dust particles is called decantation. Let us separate. Slowly you have to separate.
Enough.
Let's filter it. So now I am filtering it with a filter. Let's do it. You can see some dust in the filter. So this process is called as filtration.